Sai Ram, dear children, welcome to today's maths class. All of you join your hands for chanting Omkar 3 times. Om, Om, Om. Students, today we are going to learn addition of liters and milliliters. For that, I have prepared a worksheet and some examples are solved. Okay, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Visible?
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
My sound is also clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Continue.
Adding liters and milliliters. Yesterday we started the lesson jugs and mugs. There we learned that liter and milliliter are two units to measure capacity. But in some cases, sometimes both the units will come together. Then how do you add it? That we will learn here. Okay. So for example, add 7 liter 290 ml and 14 liter 45 milliliter. This addition is just like addition of numbers, so that for that we have to arrange the numbers according to the places, and we can carry over also from this place to the next place. Only difference is between here a liter unit is written, here milliliter is written. So I have written 7 liter 290 milliliter first. If you want, you can write this first, no problem. Okay, then just below 7 liter, I wrote this 14 liter. If you write 7, if you want to add 7 and 14, you will write the ones place one below the other. So 7 has only ones place. So 14's 4 in the ones place, I wrote below 14 and 1 in the tens place. And similarly, when you write ml, milliliter, you should write milliliter. We should write milliliter below milliliter and liter below liter. This is 290 ml. This one is 290 ml. And below this, we have to write this 45 ml. 45 is a 2-digit number. So see how I have arranged the digits. 0 is in ones place, 5 in ones place, one below the other. Then 9 in tens place, 4 in tens place. Below 9, I wrote 4. And here there is no digit 0. So I left this place. Okay. Then we will add. And don't forget to write ml. Then add 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 4, 13. Carry over 1 will go to this place. And 2 and 1 together makes 3. And if there is a carryover, it will go to this place. But in this case, there is no carryover. Now, we will add 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 1 carryover will come over this 1 in the tens place. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So how do you read it? It is 21 liter 335 milliliter. Okay. So addition is, there is no difference. When you write down the numbers one below the other arrangement, you should be very careful about the unit. That's all. Okay, next is add 4 liter 455 milliliter, 6 liter 340 milliliter and 11 liter 65 milliliter. Okay, then we will write one below the other. 4 liter 455 ml, below that 6 liter 340 ml, then plus 11 liter 65 ml. See how I have arranged according to the places. Here a little bit difference is there. I don't want to disturb it. 4, 6 and below 6 this one should come, and this one is in tens place. Okay. Now when you add 5 plus 5 is 10, carry over 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, then 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 and this carryover makes 8, then 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus this 1 is 11, and 1 carryover here, that 1 and this one makes 21. So 21 liter, 860 ml. Children, now we are going to apply this knowledge. How to add in day-to-day life problems, problem solving. For that, I have given you this question. Renu's mother used 2 liter 45 milliliter of milk to make kheer and 4 liter, this should be capital L, 4 liter 345 milliliter to make curd. Okay. How much milk did she use in all? You might have understood how much milk she used in all means you have to add these two values, two candid quantities. You have to add this 2 liter 45 ml with this 4 liter 345 ml. Now here, since it is a problem solving sum, I have prepared steps for you. Milk used to make kheer, it is 2 liter 45 milliliter. Milk used to make curd, 4 liter 345 ml. See how I arrange the numbers according to the places. Then we have to add them. Then we will get milk used in all. Okay, let us add. 5 plus 5 is 0. Carry over 1 here in tens place. 4 plus 4 is 8. In such cases, we can do this way also. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus carry over 1, 9. Then 3 here. And 4 plus 2, 6. 6 liter, 390 milliliter. Don't forget to write liter and milliliter. Only that is the difference. So, she used 6 liter, 390 milliliter of milk in all. Children, did you get idea? This is just like a simple problem solving addition sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here I have given one more question, but I have written the step, but everything you have to fill now. Okay. Ajita used 5 liter 780 ml of water to wash utensils, 2 liter 50 ml for cooking, and 7 liter 345 ml for washing clothes. How much water did she use in all? See, water used to wash the utensils. Steps I have written. You can fill up this. Water used for cooking. You can fill up from here. Water used in washing clothes. It is this one. You can write down here according to the places. Okay. Water used in all. You can do addition and get the answer. Finally, you will write a sentence. So, she used dash liter, dash milliliter of water in all. What is this? The answer you get here, dash liter, dash milliliter. Okay. Here I helped you to write the steps. And one more thing here, three quantities will come and 3 quantities you have to add. Now this is another question for you. Here I just gave you the question. A bucket contains 5 liter 310 milliliter of water. Another bucket contains 3 liter 60 ml of water. Find the total quantity of water in the 2 buckets together. Okay. So how do you write the steps? Water in a bucket. Water in the other bucket. Then total quantity of, see, everything is here. Total, here the third step is here. Total quantity of water in 2 buckets. Then you will add and you will get the answer. Okay, children? Did you understand? Okay. Are you able to do it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Is it very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I will...
Very clear, ma'am.
Okay, I will take you to data class edge. But there some questions are there. That questions are very simple. Still you can see it. Okay, let me type. Let me sign in. Okay. Now let us see. Our chapter is coming now. Okay. We are going to capacity, and here in capacity there are some word problems. But actually these word problems you will feel very simple now. Okay. Still then we can go through. Word problems, capacity. Okay. Solve the following word problems. First one. Rahul purchased 20 liters of olive oil and 18 liters of refined oil. How many liters of oil did he purchase all together? What you have to do? 20 liters plus 18 liters. Since it is problem solving, you have to write the steps. Quantity of olive oil he purchased, refined oil he purchased, oil purchased all together. Anyway, you can write the steps here. And after that, you will add 20 liter plus 18 liter. It is too simple, no? Okay, then you will add, you will get. I will show you the answer after discussion. Then second question. If 7,500 liters of water is required to fill a rectangular swimming pool and 6,200 liters is required to fill a circular pool, then how many liters of water is required to fill both the pools together? That means this is also an addition question. Water in rectangular pool, water in circular pool, total quantity of water. Then you will add 7,500 with the 6,200 and then finally you will get the answer. Okay. Then third question. A milkman had 800 liters of milk. He sold 67 liters of milk. How much milk is left with him? So milk left means you have to minus. Milk he had, milk he sold, milk he left. We will do minus. Here you can see only single unit is given. Okay, it is too simple. Now I shall show you the answers also, how they have written the steps and all. See, this is our first question. They have very shortly written olive oil equal to refined oil equal to total equal to. They added, they got the answer. Here addition is done. Is it clear, children? 20 plus 18 is 38. Very simple addition. Class 2 children do this type of question. Is it not? Okay. Second one, I'm not reading the question again. Water required to fill the pool, rectangular pool, water required to fill the circular pool, water required to fill both. You will add, and here addition is shown. You got 13,700 liters. See, we used to write a sentence also. You can add that also. So, like that. Okay. Then a milkman had 80 liters. I'm not reading the question. Milkman had 80 liters of milk. He sold 67 liters of milk. You can write with equal to also. Milkman had equal to, he sold equal to, milk left equal to. Then you do minus. 80 minus 67 is so simple. It is done here. And the answer is 13 liters. Okay. Okay. Now today we have done a number of word problems. We can revise it and we can do the questions also. Okay, children. So let me log out from here now. Okay. Now today's topic is over. We are going to end our class. So all of you can join your hands for Shanti part. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, children, we meet tomorrow. Take care.